Let's get oriented with the specimen. Here it's a laparotomy. The abdominal cavity is opened up. The liver is reflected. So here you can see the inferior border of the liver is reflected up. So the anterior surface of the stomach is exposed. You can see the greater curvature, G for greater curvature here, and L the lesser curvature here. So let's start from here. So the lesser curvature, you can make an invert L. You can make out an invert L for the lesser curvature attachment of the lesser omentum. So that is another L, lesser omentum for next L. So lesser omentum attached to the lesser curvature which has the shape of an invert L. Okay, that much is correct. Okay. Now let us look at the hepatic attachment or the attachment of the lesser omentum onto the liver. Again you can make out a reverse L here. See. So the vertical limb of the L is the attachment of ligamentum venosum, and the horizontal limb of this L, you can see the porta hepatis attachment. So L on the liver, L on the lesser curvature of the stomach, L for the lesser omentum, and L. Inside this, behind the lesser omentum, you have the lesser sac. So that is next L, lesser sac. And here is the opening to the lesser sac. So that is also L. The opening of the lesser sac, lesser curvature, ligamentum venosum, lesser omentum. So all these terminologies as L. Now let us look into another picture where you can make out. Now the liver is completely removed. What is remaining is the lesser omentum. Here you can make out a better picture here. You can see the L. See, look at the L here. L. Look at the L and the lesser curvature. Runs around the lesser curvature and ends in the first part of the duodenum. L. You can see the lesser omentum. You can make out the attachment of the porta hepatis. That is the horizontal limb of the L. The vertical limb of the L has a attachment of ligamentum venosum, that is again an L. So I think by knowing the alphabet L, you can learn a lot of ligaments which is related to the stomach and liver, hepatogastric ligaments. Thank you.